Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you and show you multiple ways to do a hard reset on your iPhone. The first and the easiest way when your screen is responsive and you just want to sell your iPhone is to at first enter settings and scroll down to the general tab. Here, scroll all the way down to the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap that, and here you'll see erase all content settings. Tap that and tap continue. It will, as you can see, delete all your data, but after that your phone may be safely traded or given away. This is the first way. The second way is to enter the recovery mode and restore it using our PC. So at first you have to plug a cable USB Type A to your PC and USB Type C or Lightning to your iPhone. So here, as you can see, we have the Lightning cable, and we have to plug this Lightning cable into our phone charging port here. Now we have to enter the recovery mode. To do so, we have to click volume up, volume down, and hold the side button quickly until you see the Apple logo appears. Recovery mode should appear. So let's hold it until we see the recovery mode. This is the Apple logo. You'll only do this way. As you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. You only do this way when you have your screen or phone unresponsive. You don't really actually want to enter the recovery mode without having your phone unresponsive. But don't worry, from here on your Windows PC using the iTunes, you can reset your iPhone. Of course, you can do this on the macOS too. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.